Promise and async await, the easy and the hard way. Let me start by saying that the code is in the description if you want to try it, but let's get right into the video. Okay, first off, let me explain what the mission of the code is. The mission is to retrieve data from the first endpoint, then retrieve the data you need to get to the second endpoint, and get some data from that endpoint, and then do it again and do it again. So now let's look at the async await method of doing this. You have an async function, it should always be async, or await won't work. So we have the first URL in which we are going to use to fetch some data. That URL we make to a constant called n. We use some data we gathered from that constant to fetch some new data. And then we do the same and do the same again. And at last we console.log the actual information that we wanted to get. So when we reach that point, we can now see that it does the exact same as the method before, but it does it in a very clean and easy way to understand. And that's why I use async await and why I think that in most cases you probably should too. And that is pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. If you liked the video, then like the video, and I will see you in the next one.